Hello, beautiful people. Today we're doing the exact 11-move routine that lifts cheeks, sharpens the jawline, smooths wrinkles, and gives that rested, glowing look naturally. All you need is 10 minutes and your own 2 hands. Let's begin. Important rules before we start. Sit or stand tall. Imagine a golden thread pulling the crown of your head toward the sky. Keep neck and shoulders relaxed. Move slowly and mindfully, quality over speed. If anything feels uncomfortable, soften or stop. Do this 5 to 6 days a week, morning or evening. Ready? Let's wake up your face. Move 1. Side to side lip slides. Close lips gently. Actively slide lips left to left, keeping cheeks and jaw engaged. 30 to 40 seconds. Lists corners of mouth, tones cheeks, defines jawline. Finish by lightly pinching around the lips to release tension, then gently blow air out with relaxed lips. Move 2. Circular lip movements. Purse lips tightly. Make slow circles, 10 one way, 10 the other. Support chin with hand if needed. Strengthens entire mouth ring muscle, smooth lip lines. Pinch release and soft blow out again. Move 3. ATU to ATU with tucked lips. Tuck lips behind teeth. Exaggerate A to U. Alternate 20 times. Powerful cheek lift and nasolabial fold smoother. Massage under cheekbones outward with fingertips. Move 4. ETU to ETU cheek lift variation. Same tucked lips. E equals cheeks lift sideways and up. U equals lips pull inward. 20 slow reps. Targets the sides of the cheeks for wider, higher appearance. Move 5. Circular tongue press. Close mouth, press tongue in slow circles against the inside of cheeks, 10 clockwise, 10 counterclockwise. Optional. Gently resist with fingers outside. Tones inner cheek muscles, reduces marionette lines. Move 6. Cheek ballooning. Press lips firmly over teeth. Move air from left cheek to left, 20 to 30 seconds. Use fingers to seal lips if air escapes. Prevents cheek sagging, sculpts lower face. Move 7. Fish face with thumb. Place thumb inside mouth. Wrap lips tightly around it. Suck cheeks in, gently open, and close mouth 15 to 20 times. Instant cheek lift and jawline definition. Move 8. Neck and platysma stretch. Hand on collarbone, gently pull skin down. Tilt head back and slightly to the side until you feel a light stretch. Hold 10 to 15 seconds each direction. Releases neck bands, improves blood flow to face. Move 9. Jawline and cheekbone massage. Use knuckles, circular motions along jawline. Up the cheekbones to temples. 30 to 40 seconds. Reduces double chin, lifts mid-face. Move 10. Full cheek and lymph massage. Knuckles again. Start beside nose. Sweep firmly along cheekbones to ears to down behind ears to light circles at temples. Boosts circulation, reduces morning puffiness. Move 11. Scalp lift. Place fingertips on scalp. Gently shift skin in all directions for 30 to 40 seconds. Increases blood flow to entire face, relaxes tension, gives instant radiance. Finish with 3 deep breaths. Inhale through nose. Exhale slowly through mouth. That's it. Your face is awake, lifted, and glowing. Do this routine daily for 2 to 4 weeks and you'll see higher, fuller cheeks, sharper jawline, smoother nasolabial folds and forehead lines, brighter, firmer skin. Consistency is everything. 10 minutes a day beats any cream or filter. How does your face feel right now? Let me know in the comments. Every single one is read. Thank you for training today. See you tomorrow, same time, same beautiful face. Orange heart.